Good morning, students. I am Shriti Ghoshal from KPS Nehru Nagar Bhilai. I am your computer teacher. Today we will start chapter number 3, that is Advanced Writer Features. As you have learned in class 4 more about Writer, that is editing, formatting and some bulleted also. Now in this session you will learn about more advanced features of Writer. Now student, let's start chapter number 3, that is Advanced Writer Features. Here, after some text has been typed, edited and spell checked, it also needs to have appropriate paragraph spacing, borders, shading wherever you require, and you can give header, footer also, and you can do page setup also. Now let's do it practically. So student, this is the LibreOffice Writer window. Now here I have already written some text to apply some special effects to the text. Now first to applying the special effect we have to select the written text. Now after selecting the written text we have to go to this menu bar. There it is written format. Now click the format, we get the character option. After clicking on the character option you get the character window. Here you have to select the font effect tab. Now after selecting the font effect tab, here it is written strike through effect. Now click on this drop down menu. Here you got many types of strike through effect. Now for example I am taking this single line effect. Now after selecting the single line effect, you already seen the preview of the line. Now after pressing the OK button, the already written text is changed to the strike through effect. Now second, here the now I am giving the outline effect. So first of all select the written text, again go to this format menu. Here you will select the character button and then format effect. Now here all the effects are given. Now from this you have to select the first option where it is written outline effect. Now see here the preview is already showing to you. Press OK button, it will affect to your written text. Now students, I will tell you about subscript effect and superscript effect. Subscript effect means if you want to type any letter below the baseline, we will use subscript effect, and if you want to type any text above the baseline you will use superscript effect. Now let's us apply it. Now first I am showing you subscript. So whatever text you want to change it in subscript, select it and go to the format menu. Here again the character option. Now in this character option, here position tab is given. Now here the position are given. From these menu you have to select subscript option. Select it and press OK button. It will affect to your written text. See, it is changed to H2O. Now I will show you superscript. For that also again select the text whatever you want to change and again go to format, character, position. Here it is written superscript. Select the radio button of superscript so that it will select and press the OK button. See here again the 2 is gone to the above baseline. So it is known as superscript. Students, I will tell you about how to add special characters in your document. First of all, what is special character? A special character is not a letter, number or punctuation mark. It is a symbol normally used while writing mathematical or science equations. For example, if I want to write any Gmail account address, that is abc@gmail.com, here @ is the special character. Now how to add this special character in your document? First of all go to insert. Here special character options is given. When you click it, the special character window will appear. Now you are able to see that how many special characters are there in the screen. Suppose I want to add this @ in my document. First of all click this @ and press the OK button. As you press the OK button, see wherever the cursor wherever my cursor is there, the @ is printed in that space. Now dear students, we will learn about interline spacing. Here I have already written 2 small paragraphs to explain the interline spacing. So first of all we have to select the paragraph whatever you have written in the writer. Now after that you have to go to format menu and there you have to select the paragraph option. Here after selecting the paragraph option, here indent and spacing tab is there, you have to click in it. Now here it is given line spacing. Okay, now here you have to click this arrow button. Now drop down menu will be appearing. Here all the types of interline spacing is given. Now here first of all, if I select 1.5 lines spacing and press the OK button, see the spacing between the two lines is changed. Okay, now if students, after interline spacing, now I will show you how to give the space between two paragraphs. Here two paragraphs are already written in this page. Now if I want to change the space between two paragraphs, again we have to go to format menu, paragraph option. Here indent and line spacing tab. Here the spacing option is given. In this spacing option, above paragraph and below paragraph, two things are given. Here if you here it is already given 0 centimeter. If I increase the this centimeters digits and press it OK button, see the space between two paragraphs are changed, means it has increased the space between two paragraphs. Students, I will tell you about how to add special characters in your document. First of all, what is special character? A special character is not a letter, number or punctuation mark. It is a symbol normally used while writing mathematical or science equations. For example, if I want to write any Gmail account address, that is abc@gmail.com, here @ is the special character. Now how to add this special character in your document? First of all, go to insert. Here special character options is given. When you click it, the special character window will appear. Now you are able to see that how many special characters are there in the screen. Suppose I want to add this @ in my document. First of all, click this @ and press the OK button. As you press the OK button, see wherever my cursor is there, the @ is printed in that space.